Okay guys, so we're going to do the side triangle congruence theorem. Talked about this a little bit before. Alright. If all three corresponding sides are congruent, then the triangles are congruent. Alright, and over here, just have a picture of side. Each side has a tick mark. Each side is congruent. Okay, if all three corresponding sides are congruent, oops, I forgot, then the triangles are congruent. Okay, quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, by definition, these sides are parallel. These sides are parallel. Okay, we want to prove that angle B and D are congruent. So these two purple angles I want to prove are congruent. All right, what's super helpful is, boop, you make that. All right, you draw a diagonal, and then we can say we have two triangles. We can prove the triangles are congruent, and their corresponding parts are congruent. All right, so I know AC is congruent to AC reflexive. Okay. I know that angle BAC congruent to angle DCA, alternate interior angles okay. Actually, let me rewind a little bit. Something I could also say now I think about it, there's multiple ways to solve problems. I think it wanted me to say in a parallelogram, opposite sides are congruent. Kind of ran out of room to spell parallelogram right there. All right, so technically I didn't need to talk about alternate interior angles. Like I said, reflexive property, reflexive property, opposite sides congruent in a parallelogram. So then I know that the triangles are congruent. By side. So angle D is congruent to angle B because they are corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Okay, so I'll keep that on the screen there for a minute. Kind of did a step I didn't need to do, my bad, but the triangles are congruent because of reflexive property. Opposite sides are congruent in a parallelogram, so we can use side, side, side. So the triangles are congruent, so the corresponding angles are congruent. And then we have a theorem that opposite angles in a parallelogram are congruent. So when you talk about a parallelogram, there's crazy things happening. Opposite sides are congruent, opposite sides are parallel, opposite angles are congruent, consecutive angles are supplementary. They have a lot of properties. That's why it's a fun shape to talk about. All right, this is video 1. There'll be a couple more videos.